7 nutrient deficiencies that can cause numbness and tingling. Too much of the time, we talk about food being healthy or unhealthy in relation to how it affects our weight. We call dessert fattening, and deem salad beneficial to weight loss. And although there is no denying that maintaining a healthy weight is an important part of any meal regimen, there is so much more that goes into creating a balanced diet than counting calories and fats. One element that often gets overlooked is consuming enough of the essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. The reality is that if you're not giving your body all that it demands, you'll probably begin to feel some pretty funky symptoms. That's your body trying to tell you that it wants its vital nutrients, its diet. Numbness and tingling are some of the most common signals of nutrient deficiencies. These symptoms are also associated with a number of dangerous conditions, like nerve damage, spinal cord emergencies, multiple sclerosis, and a slew of other diseases, so it's important to rule these out as soon as possible. But if you've already been tested for these conditions, and you're still feeling that odd sensation throughout your body, try incorporating more of the following nutrients into your diet. 1. Vitamin B12 aids in the production of brain chemicals. Vitamin B12 aids the production of DNA and helps make neurotransmitters. Harvard Health Publishing says that vegans may be at particular risk for vitamin B12 deficiency because plants don't make the nutrient, as are people who've had weight loss surgery, because the procedure makes it difficult for the body to extract B12 from food. Symptoms of severe B12 deficiency include numbness in the legs, hands, or feet, problems with walking and balance, anemia, fatigue, weakness, a swollen, inflamed tongue, memory loss, paranoia, and hallucinations. You can get vitamin B12 from animal sources. Boost your levels of B12 by eating more fish, chicken, milk, and yogurt, Patton says. If you're vegan, opt for vegan foods fortified with B12, such as non-dairy milk, meat substitutes, and breakfast cereals. 2. Potassium helps muscles and nerves function properly. Potassium helps your heart, nerves, and muscles work properly. You could become low in potassium in the short term because of diarrhea or vomiting, excessive sweating, antibiotics or diuretics, or because of chronic conditions such as eating disorders and kidney disease, according to the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Symptoms of a deficiency include muscle weakness, constipation, tingling and numbness, and in severe cases, an abnormal heart rhythm. For natural potassium sources, Situ recommends bananas, whole grains, milk, vegetables, beans, and peas. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium helps support bone health and assists in the body's energy production. Although deficiency is fairly uncommon, it can affect people who take certain medications, have certain health conditions or consume too much alcohol, according to the National Institutes of Health's Office of Dietary Supplements. In more severe cases, a deficiency in magnesium can lead to numbness. 4. Vitamin E. An uncommon deficiency in developed countries, vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects the body's cells from damage, muscle weakness and neurological issues. Because of its close links to the nervous system, a lack of vitamin E can cause numbness and tingling in the extremities and throughout the body. How to fix it? Good sources of vitamin E includes broccoli, kiwi, mangoes, nuts and seeds, especially sunflower, tomatoes, and vegetable-based oils. Vitamin E supplements are generally regarded as safe. If you are pregnant, seek the advice of your doctor. High levels of vitamin E may pose a threat to the health of an unborn baby. 5. Calcium strengthens your musculoskeletal system. Calcium is important for maintaining strong bones and controlling muscle and nerve function. Signs of severely low calcium include muscle cramps and abnormal heart rhythms. Make sure you're getting enough with at least 3 servings of milk or yogurt a day. Other good sources of calcium are cheese, calcium-fortified orange juice, and dark leafy greens. 6. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones. This vitamin is also critical for bone health. Symptoms of a vitamin D deficiency can be vague, fatigue and muscle aches or weakness. If it goes on long term, a vitamin D deficiency can lead to softening of the bones. How to fix it? Sunshine is the best source of vitamin D. Cereals, milk, and soy products are good dietary forms of D. Supplements should be a last resort, however, as even minimal exposure to the sun combined with a well-balanced diet should do the trick. 7. Iron is necessary for oxygen-rich blood. Iron is necessary to produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. When iron levels get too low, there may be a deficiency in red blood cells, a condition called anemia. Anemia causes fatigue, pale skin, and dull, thin, sparse hair, Patton says. To boost iron levels, she recommends eating iron-fortified cereal, beef, oysters, beans, especially white beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans, lentils, and spinach. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.